Welcome back to the Brew Tank's Osmosis Zealots, where today I'm going to be making my first traditional hydromel. Let's get to our supplies. Today we're going to be using fresh star sands, 12 pounds of wildflower honey, 1 5-gallon bucket, 4.5 gallons of spring water, Safel SO4, Go Firm, cheap vodka and or sterile boiled water if you prefer, measuring cup, measuring spoons, and our yeast pitching bowl. Let's prepare our area for mead making. As always, sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Now before we pour all of our water into the bucket, we're going to preserve 2 cups off to the side and get it warm in our microwave. Today we're going to be using Safel SO4 yeast. This is a dry ale yeast I've researched that people suggested when doing a hydromel. We are still going to be sprinkling in the Go Firm though to make sure our yeast is happy. Happy yeast makes happy hydromels. Before I add the water, I'm going to give the bucket one last spray down. Once we've emptied the rest of our water into the bucket, let's grab our honey from the sink and get ready for our honey shot. Give it a good stir. Make sure to introduce oxygen into the must. Now we say our yar caulk and pitch. Okay, after the pitching is done, I'll give it one last stir. Okay, let's take a reading with our hydrometer. Looks like we're at 1.07, so we're going to get an ABV of 9%. This will go dry given the tolerance of the yeast, so we're going to stabilize and backsweeten later on. Let me push down our lid. Place our airlock on. And fill up with your choice of vodka or sanitized water. And that's all, folks. I'm hoping the fermentation goes well and we have a crisp and delicious hydromel. Feel free to share your experience with the hydromels in the comments section below. And as always, if you like my videos and want to see more, then hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time. Cheers.